In this video by ABN Painting, we are working on exterior of a stucco house, and this is the look of the house before we started preparation work. We pressure washed the house a day earlier, and the following day we start our prep work by scraping any peeling paint by hand using a putty knife. In some of the areas where peeling of the paint is excessive, we are using 12-inch masking paper that will catch most of the loose paint chips, and that will help us a lot during the cleanup. After we're done with scraping loose paint, we mask all the windows. Using elastomeric patch, we fill any hairline cracks on stucco and we apply it with a mini roller. To fill cracks on the wood trim, we are using a combination of different materials. We are using MH patch to fill any larger cracks. To fill any gaps between wood and stucco, we are using latex caulk, and after we squeeze it out of the tube using caulking gun, we use painter's brush to spread the caulk evenly. And any remaining hairline cracks we are fixing using elastomeric patch. There are a few pieces of wood on this house that are impossible to fix, and this is one of the pieces that we're going to replace. It takes a little bit of an effort because it is nailed to a wooden board that is behind the stucco. After we remove the old piece, we use the pliers to straighten out the nails that were holding it, and we are nailing down the new piece using the same nails. We are fixing wood pieces that were not in completely terrible shape, and for larger cracks we are using MH patch, and for smaller cracks combination of elastomeric patch and caulk. There are a few areas near the foundation of the house that we are going to fix using cement mix. We apply the first coat of cement mix, then use a wet sponge to make it smooth, then apply the second coat, and then use a wet sponge again to give the cement desired look. On top of the house, where the stucco meets the roof, there are a lot of cracks, and we're going to fix those using a combination of latex caulk and elastomeric patch. The stucco wall above the pool we fixed using cement mix, and then we run a 12-inch masking paper to protect the pool from overspray. Unpainted decorative brick on top we masked using painter's tape. There's another area of the wall that we fixed using cement mix. Usually for stucco walls we use stucco mix, but on this house, because of a very smooth finish, cement mix works a little bit better because of its finer finish. This is the same area after repairs. On the back of the house we masked the grill area using paper and tape. On the back patio we used plastic to cover the tile, and we used the tarps to cover the remaining area. This is the front of the house. To fill any hairline cracks we used elastomeric patch. For some areas near the foundation that were damaged we used cement mix, and for the wood trim we used a combination of MH patch, elastomeric patch and latex caulk. These pieces of decorative wood are facing backyard. We fixed any pieces that were fixable and replaced pieces that were rotted. This is the front of the house. After all preparation work has been completed, now the house is ready for spray painting. And this is the look of the house and the wall around just before we started spraying. We use the same color for the body of the house and the wall that goes around the house. After we are done with the main color, we are using an accent color for any wood surfaces. And just before painting the doors, we dust them off to make sure that they get a smooth finish. We start by spray painting all the edges. And then we go back and paint the remaining area. And this is after we're done with cleanup and touch-ups.